General characteristics. The 8 extraordinary meridians possess unique qualities that clearly set them apart from the 12 regular meridians. 1. Distinct yet interactive. While these meridians do interact with the 12 regular meridians, they do not form direct internal or external organ relationships with them. Despite this, they still influence organ function indirectly. For example, the lung and large intestine channels are connected through internal and external pathways, but the extraordinary meridians don't follow this pattern. They lack such yin-yang pairings. 2. Lack of independent points. Unlike the regular meridians, most of the 8 extraordinary meridians don't have their own specific acupuncture points. Instead, they utilize points from the 12 regular meridians. However, there are 2 exceptions, the Dumai and the Ren Mai, both of which do possess their own dedicated acupuncture points. 3. Carriers of prenatal essence. The 8 extraordinary meridians serve as pathways for Yuan Qi prenatal or original Qi, which originates from kidney essence. They play a vital role in early development and constitutional strength. 4. Master and couple points for activation. Each of these meridians has both a master and a coupled point. These points are used to access and influence 2 separate regular meridians. For instance, needling the master and couple points can address both the typical patterns of the extraordinary vessels and their overlapping influences on the 12 regular meridians. As an example, Dumai's Si3 Hoxi back ravine point helps in treating symptoms linked to the small intestine channel. BL62 Shenmai from the Yang Chaomai Yang motility vessel addresses issues related to the bladder channel. This means that Dumai can treat not only its own disharmonies but also more complex imbalances involving the small intestine and bladder meridians. 5. Rhythmic flow of Qi. The Qi in the extraordinary meridians does not move in a single direction, it has a rhythmic flow, similar to ocean tides. However, Renmai and Dumai are exceptions to this rule. Their Qi ascends and connects at the Du28 Yinjiao point, located at the frenulum of the upper lip, where the pathways unite and communicate. 6. Function-based naming. The names of the 8 extraordinary meridians reflect their unique functions. Unlike the 12 regular meridians, which are named after organ systems and reflect organ-related Qi dynamics, the extraordinary meridians are named according to their special energetic roles and capacities.